After holidays, many people just feel the same way. We just want something warm and light, but also something what actually fills us up. And that's where the German soups come in. Today, I'm sharing with you 3 light German soups recipes that are perfect after holidays. They're simple, traditional, and satisfying without feeling heavy. Let's start with the first one. Cabbage soup is a classic in Germany, especially if you wanted something easy and quick on the stomach. It is light and warming, and here's the important part. I always add some potatoes to it, and I recommend you do the same. That way you won't be hungry 1 hour later. I keep the soup completely vegetarian. This way it really stays light. Next is the German lentil soup. Many people think that the German lentil soup is pretty heavy, but it doesn't have to be. For the lighter version, you can skip the Frankfurt sausage entirely. Instead of bacon, you can use a smart ham. You still get the flavor, but without greasy feeling. Lentils are great because they keep you full, they add protein and fiber, which makes this soup perfect after holidays, when you want something satisfying and rich. And here's a question for you. What you actually eat after holidays? Let me know in the comments down below. The third soup is one of my favorites. It's the German green bean soup. It's served with beef, green beans, and potatoes. This soup is often overlooked, but it's got a great balance. If you want, you can fry the beef, but this is not necessary. You can just cook it, and it's also going to be very flavorful. The green beans keep it fresh, the beef adds the flavor, and the potatoes turn it into a real meal. It's got a light texture and it's still nourishing, perfect if you want something warm and grounding without feeling weighted down. Those soups examples show one important thing. The light food, it doesn't have to be boring, and it doesn't mean you will be hungry after eating them right away. If you do enjoy soups like this, I actually made a video in the past about the German soups and stews. I go deeper into classics that the Germans cook all year round, and I will link this video here for you. And if I may make another suggestion, in this one I will show you how to make German soup dumplings. The clear German broth is also extremely delicious.